What happens when steel meets timber? Explosion. Witness nature's fury unleashed by man-made monsters. Extreme chainsaw mayhem and excavator rampage. Don't blink, you might miss it.
Oh no!
Whoa, listen to that. This logger really gets it. It's not just wood, it's like every log has its own story, its own wild card. You can't mess around in this game, gotta stay sharp and respect the power of nature. Complacency? Nah, that's a one-way ticket to trouble in the woods.
Oh no!
That was incredibly unsafe. He had no protective gear, no suitable equipment, just audacity and a tank top. It's fortunate he wasn't injured. Now that's smart logging right there. Forget climbing and chopping piece by piece in a risky spot. Bring in the crane, get it done fast and safe. Teamwork and smart tech, that's how you handle a big tree in a tight spot. Impressive. Stump headaches, we've all been there. But check out this forest mower. Tungsten carbide blades? Seriously? Those stubborn stumps don't stand a chance? Turned into mulch in no time? Yes, please. Goodbye backache, hello smooth ground. Whoa, seriously, ladders and chainsaws are a really bad idea. That's what you call precision. Hire a pro, point, tree down, exactly where you want it in 3 minutes flat. Doesn't get easier than that, folks. Sometimes, you just gotta call in the experts and watch the magic happen. Forest work is like war, heavy stuff. But then you see this family, 3 generations working together with horses in the woods. That's not war, that's a whole different story. It's about connection, tradition, working with nature. That's real beauty right there.
Yeah! 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 Chihine! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
But you know, those little bumps in the road that make you stronger are actually what make life an adventure. Okay, gotta give props for the DIY wood splitter. Leverage design? Pretty clever and it works. But yeah, soft wood might be a pain. And safety. Maybe keep your hand distance, folks. Still, cool homemade invention though. Yes, it's this kind of thing that makes us forest workers have to get a chainsaw driver's license. Homemade bandsaw? Whoa, creative. Hanging the power cable on a spring arm? Interesting idea. But for safety, a blade guard is a must, for sure. What do you all think? Good ideas here. Let's hear your thoughts. All right, folks, safety first. Controlled felling is key to avoid any accidents. Good job to the team for handling this responsibly. Now that's what I call precision. Watch this lumberjack make it look easy with the steel 462. That saw is a beast, and this guy knows how to wield it. Textbook tree felling right there. Clean, safe, and efficient. Respect the skill. Tired of wrestling with massive stumps and logs? You know the drill. Slow progress, busted equipment, and a whole lot of frustration. But what if there was an easier way? There is. Meet the Moorbark Talon debris shears. These shears are engineered to demolish timber up to 40 inches in diameter, making tough jobs feel like a walk in the park. The genius part: the Model 40 uses your current machine's hydraulics. That means simple setup and maximum uptime. Stop fighting the wood and start conquering it with Moorbark. Okay, I have no clue where this footage came from, but holy smokes! Have you ever seen a rock crusher like this? This thing is absolutely devouring boulders like they're popcorn. Seriously impressive industrial power right here. Listen up, folks. This multi-one stump planer is a total game changer for stump removal. Forget flying wood chips everywhere with those grinders. This low-speed, high-torque beast is just as effective but way safer. Smart tech for high-traffic zones and valuable property. Safety and efficiency? Yes, please. Tight corners? No problem for this man TGX33560. This truck is built for hauling serious timber in tough conditions. Watch it expertly navigate these curves while loaded down. That's German engineering and power at its finest. Impressive truck doing impressive work. Need firewood but don't want the hassle of huge logs? This electric firewood saw is your answer. 2,600 watts of power and a carbide disc to make firewood prep a breeze for home use. Oak, olive, poplar, ash, it cuts through it all. Problem solved for easy firewood. Dude, check this out. This video is FIRE. We've got a Steel MS-881 chainsaw going head-to-head with a log that's practically the size of a car. .7 horsepower and a 66-inch bar? This thing is a beast. Watch it rip through this wood like it's nothing. It's fast, it's loud, it's totally awesome. If you're into power tools and extreme cutting, crank up the volume and get ready for some serious adrenaline. This is chainsaw mastery at its finest. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Let's give it up for Armando Augusto Silva, LDA. These debarking and chipping lines are essential for so many industries, from home heating pellets to construction composites and even paper, and they do it all in-house, design to product. Full service, quality guaranteed. Pretty cool industrial process, right? Behold the Grohe Segaspalt Automat GSW30DZW3P Turbo. This machine is a wood processing powerhouse. 80-centimeter log diameter, 31.4-ton splitting force, and a lightning-fast cutting speed. Hydraulic controls, mobile frame, and tons of options. This is pro-level equipment for serious wood processing tasks.
Todo nombre sea.
Standing at a majestic 131 feet, this copper beech was unfortunately losing a battle against Inonotus ricci, commonly called schillerporling. This aggressive fungus, also known as burnt crust, weakens the tree from the inside, creating a serious safety risk. The tree's impressive size and compromised state demand specialized arborist skills and equipment for safe removal. Precision is paramount in this process. And that's a wrap. Awesome job, everyone!
Get out of there.
Oh my god, the branch snapped while he was tying in.
That branch snapped.
He got lucky. His skills and quick thinking saved. Him the ultimate mulching machine, proudly made in the USA. This beast boasts unparalleled power and efficiency. It is the ideal solution for forestry, land clearing, and site preparation. Get ready to experience the next level of performance with the RT 400. Tired of inefficient stump removal? The WE Stump Cruncher is your solution. With its hard-ox steel body and robust hydraulic system, it tackles even the most challenging stumps and trunks. It breaks them down quickly for easy removal or processing, saving you precious time and resources. This is the ultimate problem solver for any land clearing operation. It's not just trees that can cause headaches. Your gear can too. So always be observant and careful in every action.
Yes, sir.
Picture this: a crisp autumn morning, a pile of logs, and the auto-split AS630. With its 20 horsepower engine, this machine hums to life, ready to tackle the day's work. Each log, up to 20 inches thick and 2 feet long, is split effortlessly with 18 tons of force. The safety chamber ensures you can work with confidence. That's the power of the AS630, turning a tough chore into a satisfying experience. You're not just processing wood, you're enjoying efficiency and strength in action. This splitter demonstrates an efficient design, integrating 3 distinct mechanisms. The wedge provides linear force for standard log splitting, while the circular blade facilitates rapid processing of smaller diameter wood. The screw splitter, characterized by its low RPM, high torque output, is engineered for high-density material. The integration of the 3 mechanisms enhances the versatility of the device. This is a great invention of a bright mind. The MTZ-82, originating from Belarus, offers a robust platform. Powered by a fuel-efficient diesel engine, this tractor boasts a hydraulic system that powers both the Arbro 400 harvester head and the Palms 670 crane. The Arbro excels in felling and delimbing, processing stems with speed and precision. The Palms 670, with its 22-foot reach, facilitates cut-to-length operations. Electronic control modules ensure optimal performance and operator efficiency. It is a reliable machine that runs on all cylinders. Safety and simplicity meet with the Binderberger automatic saw. This user-friendly machine makes cutting firewood a breeze, processing meter logs down to 13-inch pieces. Adjustable speed settings let you control the pace. With options for electric, PTO, or a combo, it is adaptable to your needs. The built-in safety features ensure operator peace of mind. This saw's mobility and efficiency make it a smart choice for anyone, regardless of your experience level. This is an incredible machine. Made in Italy, the TB900 Pezzolato is a high-capacity firewood processor designed for industrial applications. With a splitting force of 40 tons and a maximum log diameter capacity of 35.4 inches, the TB900 is engineered for heavy-duty performance. Featuring a 29.5 horsepower electric motor and an advanced hydraulic system, this machine delivers exceptional throughput, producing up to 2,378 cubic feet of firewood per hour. This unit is ideal for businesses seeking to maximize production efficiency.
Сосновый пенек, у него диаметр почти 40 сантиметров. Если его расколят, то, я думаю, расколят. легко. Да.
Efficiency meets precision with the Binderberger packaging machine. Its 1200 mm by 800 mm filling drum is tailored for Euro and disposable pallets, ensuring every log fits perfectly. The rectangular design eliminates wasted space during transport and storage, maximizing your productivity. Stackable firewood packages save room and effort, while the 3-point hitch and forklift straps make transportation seamless. This is the smart solution for fast, clean, and economical firewood packaging. Not today, Widowmaker. Not today. A Volvo FH16, a behemoth of the highways, dominating the frozen landscape. Imagine over 176,000 pounds of timber, a weight it carries with ease through snow-blanketed roads. Its 750 horsepower engine, a roaring beast of pure power, propels it forward, a true heart of American steel. The I-shift transmission dances through gears, a virtuoso performance in the face of treacherous, icy paths. This isn't just a truck, it's a titan of the tundra, conquering the wild. The Globetrotter XL cab is like a warm, comfy cabin. Ready for an adventure? This wood splitter is pretty straightforward in terms of design, and it's easy to use. It definitely gets the job done when it comes to splitting wood, but it's not very efficient. You need like 3 to 5 people to operate it, which is a major downside. Hopefully you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of modern forestry. If you did, show us some love by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching.